Hello guys, today we'll learn about in-queen problem. Okay, let's see what is the condition, what is the problem statement. Let's see. N-queen problem such that you have n queen, n number of queen, and place in n cos n chessboard such that no queen does not attack any another queen. Okay, how to do? Let's see. I have n cos n chessboard. Okay, I have n cos n chessboard and I have n number of queen and I need to place in this chessboard n number of queen that does not attack any queen, another queen. Okay, so let's see. In this chess we know that a queen does not attack any another queen. Suppose there is a queen, so it does not it attack there and its attack there and its attack there and its attack there and it also attack there, attack there, attack there and attack. So we see that there is a 8-directional attack. Okay, so how to solve this problem and place the n number of queen in the chessboard such that no queen attack any another queen? Okay, let's see. So if we see this, we really find three conditions such that no queen attack any another queen. What are the three conditions? This guy does attack this, so we tell that no two queen place in same row. Okay, next this guy attack this directional, so we tell that no two queen place in same column. Okay, and third is this guy attack this directional and this direction, so this is the diagonal. Okay, so we tell that no queen place in same diagonal. Okay, so we have the three conditions. What are the three conditions? Two queen does not place in same row, two queen does not in same column, and two queen does not place in same diagonal. By this condition, we place the queen in the n cross n board. Okay, let's see. Suppose I have 4 cross 4 chessboard and I have 4 queen and place this 4 queen in the board such that no queen attack any another. So I have 4 cross 4 chessboard. There is 4 cross 4 chessboard and I use one approach that I have firstly one queen in one column and I have one queen in one row. Okay, so I place a queen in 0 column. Firstly I place a queen in 0 column. Firstly I have placed there 0 column and next time I place another queen and next column such that this queen is safe. Okay, so let's see. This is the board and where I am placed same row, so this is and same column. There is no another such, so I am not place here any type of queen. Okay, so there is this is diagonal, so there is not place. There is, yes, there is place because there is same row and same does not same row and same column or also not same diagonal, so there place. And I come here and here I see, here I place, no, this is the same row. Here I place, no, this is the diagonal. here I am placed, no, this is the row, here I am placed, no, this is the diagonal. So I backtrack here come. Okay, then I place here, this is the queen place, previous queen place. So I remove there from there, and I see what next row, there, no, there is, yes, there is, yes. So I come next column and see whatever do. So there is one queen, there is one queen, and there, no, this is same row, there, yes, there I place. Okay, so I find there, and I come next column. Okay, see that there is, no, there is, no, there is, no, there is, no. So I backtrack here. Okay, and see, next column I place here, no, next I place, no. So I backtrack here and see, here, no. So what am I do? And backtrack here, backtrack previous here. So previous here, whatever do, we first queen at the second column. Okay, and see, and start the next, and try. Here I place, no, this is the, here I place, no, here I am place, no, here, yes, here, but here is already placed, yes. So there I come and I see this is the place where I am placed, yes, this is the place where I am placed, yes. And see, this is okay. Next I go to next column and see, there I place, you know, there I place, no, there I place, yes, this is the place. And I have got a solution where no queen attack, does not attack any another attack. Okay, so let's see the pseudocode. So whatever we done, there is encoded in matrix, there is encoded in matrix or encoded in, you have select any of this data structure. Okay, so let's see what is the, we call a function like solve. Okay, and we pass their column, firstly column is 0, and where we store that I pass, suppose answer, and store their initial storage, and this is the size of the storage. Okay, let's see. First, if the base condition, if the column is equal to n, then I store the final store here. Okay, store here. Else I come here and I run a loop for this all column like that, for 0 column like that. See that I am here and I whatever see, this is, and that is I do. If is safe here, this row and this column, and here this is the safe position. Okay, this is the safe position. So what am I do? I just place this queen. Okay, so this is the row and this is the column. I place here this queen, and next I call this function and increase the column, next column. Okay, column plus 1 and answer, and then and backtrack and backtrack. If this is not true, I remove this queen. Okay, so what am I do? Am I do this? Okay, this. Let's see where the queen is safe for this safe function. Okay, where suppose there is queen for this row, this column, sorry, this column. Where am I see? Here and here and here. Okay, I see this 3 because I increase this direction. So in the backtrack function, I check in the 3 direction in the back, and this is the shape. Then I will go to the next column. So what is the shape function? Shape. So first is row and second is column, and this is the vector and int n. Okay, so first we check this direction. So this direction we check. So we decrease row and column. Okay, we decrease row and column. If this direction have there is one queen, so there is not queen. So if row and column is equal to there is already one queen, so return false. This loop is going to this direction, so row is 2 and column is negative. For this what the row is constant and column is decreases. So what am I do? Column greater than is equal to 0 if rest of row and column if there is already placed a queue, then return false. Otherwise we decrease the column. And for this direction, row is increases, column is decreases. So while row less than n and column greater than 0, if row of rest of row column is equal to there is already placed a key this direction. So what am I do? Return false, and we increase the row. For the this direction, row increases and column is decreases. Okay, else return true. If everything is satisfied, then return true. Okay, let's see the code. Let's try to code. I come in the Leetcode, and there is the problem in queen puzzle. Okay, this is the end question chessboard. So there is four course for chessboard, and this is the output force, and this is the output for 1. And there is given a function which is vector of string. So we need to return. This is the format vector of string. So we create a vector of string, which name is given answer, and we need to create another string vector to store the value, and another string s. Okay, and there is the initial base condition n is equal to 1. So I want to write it, and so is store, this is a string, so I store as the string and push that in the initial vector, and also this initial vector push into the final vector. Okay, and return this and return this. Okay, else whatever we do, else we call a function which solve for greater than n. Okay, this is the answer, and raise and first the value of n. Okay, so we called here. Firstly we start from 0 column and we start from vectors in answer. This is the changeable, so I and in n. These vectors are changeable, so I call these things as the pointer. Okay, let's put base condition, whatever the base condition. If the column is equal to n, then we store this. Okay, store this initial vector and return from here. Okay, else we run a loop for the row. Every row for next column. Okay, and here we check this position is safe or not. Okay, let's we return column and I value and the race and the n. Okay, then if this is the safe, then whatever we do, then we store here what the row is I and column is 1 and what store the q. Okay, and call this function and call this function next column answer. I increase the column for the next column. Okay, answer and race and as well as name. And if there is not safe, then I backtrack this and backtrack this. Okay, this is the very important thing. Okay, so let's write the safe condition. This is the main. Okay, in column I the row and what vector of string this, and I call the n. Okay, so whatever we do here, we check the row and column and diagonal. Okay, so how can we do? Let's see how can we do. Let's see. So first we store in R1 for the row store this, finally store this firstly, then I write a while loop for upper row and upper column. Okay, means the upper diagonal. Okay, means the upper diagonal, okay. Okay, so what row is decreasing and also column is decreasing. Okay, so if there any queen is given, there any queen is already placed, so what can we do? We return the true, false, because already this row and or this diagonal is already filled, so this attack, and else nothing. Or in the while loop we decrease that. Okay, then we store here the first r1 r2 value, because it already changed. Please store this. Then I see the row, so how we see the row is constant and the column is decreases, so see case of sorry, the column is already changed, so what am I do? So this C1 and as the R1 and this was C1. If there is any queen already placed, then I return false. And we decrease the column in the same row. Next condition, what the next condition? We come the down diagonal. Okay, come the down diagonal. So what is the condition? The R2 okay, less than n and C2 greater than is equal to 0. Okay, so if we down diagonal, okay, down diagonal, so what is the condition? If R2 and C2 already there is a queen, so we return false. So what there is just as R2 increases and C2 decreases as the down diagonal. Okay, every condition is satisfied, then we return true. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, let's run this code and see this. Our two condition is satisfied, and submit this code and see that yes, our code is submitted, accepted. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.